Hi. Okay, I have all my things now. So um, you're going to want your wire base and your floral tape if you have it, and your fresh bay leaves on branches. You get well, if you happen to have the plant at your house, you can definitely just cut some off of your plant. But if you don't, or you don't want to cut your plant, you get this kind of thing in the refrigerated produce section of a grocery store. I happened to go to two different grocery stores because at the first one I was at, PCC, they only had one left, and I knew I would need at least two. Why does my screen always do that? Okay, so this other one I got at QFC, just in case you're around here and want to go where you know they're going to have it. So what you want to do is see how that's already coming up. Here we go. So you want to twist the ends around. Just double check your ends and make sure they're as flat as possible. And then take your floral wire or floral tape, and then you just start wrapping it around. I'm not going to do this whole thing on video because it takes a while. It's a little tedious. My least favorite part, but trust me, it will make a better crown. So I'll be back in a minute. Well, probably 10 minutes. Okay, I have this all wrapped now, and I'm going to use this same floral tape to put these little bay branches around the outside. So these come in very different shapes. These are from the two different boxes. I mean, they're a plant, so they're going to be, wild and doing their own thing. So it's a good idea to kind of place them around and figure out how you want them to look before you get started. This is a nice piece to show you how to do it though. So if you don't have floral tape, you can use something else like jewelry thread, not really sewing thread, floss, fishing wire, that cord type stuff. If you watched my first video that I showed you, this like elastic cord. So something like that around the wire itself will work without the floral tape. But this looks really good, right? Puts it all together really nicely. Let's put this up here. I'm not used to using this computer for making videos, but I needed the space, so that's how I'm doing it. I usually use my little laptop. So I'm going to cut this off and just wrap it around. Okay, so I'm not going to do this all on video because that would make this way too long. And I will see you when it's closer to finish. Okay, so here is the finished product. So you can make this like with all the leaves going one direction. I think typically it's made with kind of this centerpiece in the middle with, and then the two sides going up like that. So it's kind of what I tried to do. I don't know. It's it's big. So this might actually be even too big for my son. I don't know. I'll see. I'll have to try it on him tomorrow when he gets home from his dad's. And yeah, so if you make one, please send me a picture of how it turns out because I'd love to see it. All right, thanks. Bye.